Supervisor Plus is a software designed for graphical monitoring and management of areas. When we look at Supervisor, the maps of the monitored area are shown in the middle of the screen. When fire information is received, the view changes from the general map to a more detailed map. The system can switch between maps automatically, and the user can also switch manually. One of the features of Supervisor Plus is active-active redundant operation structure. The active-active redundant operation structure is a specialized architecture used to increase system continuity and provide uninterrupted monitoring in the event of possible communication or hardware problems. Within this operation structure, the Supervisor Plus software provides communication through a single GCU unit and a single SGC module, and it allows the same system to be monitored and controlled simultaneously from two different computer terminals. Both computers run independent Supervisor Plus programs, reside in different IP blocks, and are connected to the system simultaneously and actively. In this way, in case of any problem that may occur in any computer or network line, monitoring and control operations continue uninterrupted through the other computer. Thanks to the active-active redundant structure, both of the Supervisor Plus clients operate actively at the same time. Operations do not depend on one single point. Operators access the system from two locations. System continuity and availability are increased. Moving on to the user interface. At the bottom left of the screen, there is a dedicated section where integrated cameras are displayed. All IP cameras registered on the OnVIF platform can be integrated with the fire detection system. In the case of a fire, the camera located in the related area can open automatically in this section, allowing live area monitoring. Detailed information about devices on the map can be accessed by right-clicking on them. This information includes the specific location of the device, contamination levels, and event logs related to that device. Also, with the live connection feature, cameras connected to devices can be viewed live even when there is no fire alarm. In addition, output devices in the system can also be controlled by sending specific commands from this section. For example, we can right-click on the smoke dampers placed on the floors in the map and select Activate Output to make them active even outside of a fire scenario. At the same time, we can monitor whether they are currently open or closed from this section. As seen, the damper that we activated has changed its position on the map and turned green. On the left side of the screen, the system event logs are displayed. Some of the events in the system are shown in this section. Access control systems placed on the maps can also be monitored and controlled remotely through the software. Right-click devices to open or close doors. And if needed, the cameras connected to the doors can be viewed live remotely. Also, unauthorized access attempts to the access control system are recorded in the event logs within this section. There are quick indicator tools for the system. The system status indicator checks whether the fire detection monitoring is active or inactive. And it can also enable or disable the monitoring. In the access control indicator, the number of integrated access control systems and their connection status can be viewed. In the camera indicator, the number of IP cameras connected to the system and their connection status can be viewed. In the event logs section, all events in the system and their details can be accessed. There is no limit for the number of event records. If needed, these logs can be exported in different formats. In the connection section, all fire alarm panels monitored in the system and their connection status are displayed live. If any panel loses its connection, it can be seen instantly here. In the overall status section, the system can be checked to see if there is any fault, fire or other event, and to confirm that the system is in a normal operating condition. See how fire events appear. First, the area where the fire signal is received is shown in the map section. The transition between maps can be done automatically by the system or manually by the user as mentioned before. Camera or cameras matching the device that triggered the fire alarm are opened automatically in the camera section. In this way, the area with the fire alarm can also be monitored through the cameras. After that, all necessary interventions can be made through the software by using the devices menu on the left side or accessing the panel interface on the map without the needing the physical fire panel.